Are you looking to take your safety up to the next level? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to show you how to keep your ears safe and to hopefully not get run over. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to keep yourself safe. Keep your ears protected and keep your body protected with ONLYEST. They're the makers of really high quality industrial safety materials and products. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and we test the products out. And hey, I guess let's get over and do that. Brad, open everything up.
Okay, so we have got an orange safety vest and some EARMUFFS. First thing, let's get this vest out and take a look. Nice reflective material letting you know what is up. We got some pockets on the front. Even some pockets on the very top front. And it zips right up. So now let's take a look at the EARMUFFS. We have a black and red color. Branding on each muff. They feel really durable. They feel nice. So we've got our vest. We've got our EARMUFFS. Let's go give them a try.
High quality industrial safety earmuffs and hearing protection. Hearing protection. Their noise-proof earmuffs can create a quiet environment to rest and study and so much more. Protect your hearing while shooting, mowing, operating, or just being in a noisy environment such as airports and construction sites. They are authoritative certified. Their hearing protection earmuffs are certified by ASNI S3.19 and CEEN 352-1 standards. Their earmuffs silence your whole world with NPR 28 dB rating and SNR 34 dB rating protective. The ergodynamic design is amazing. It's built to provide the wonderful feeling while you're using the product. They updated the design with soft padding to make the earmuffs have less pressure and better function. And it's portable and durable. Thanks to the high quality ABS material and foldable design, you can pretty much take it anywhere without space or damage worries. But as if the earmuffs weren't amazing enough, they also make a reflective safety vest. The material is breathable mesh and it's a vest. It's lightweight, comfortable, and 100% polyester knitted fabric. Large enough for most women and men, with a zipper closure for quick on and off, simple and easy. It has multifunction pockets, 4 multifunction pockets safety vest. It's an excellent choice for any cyclist or commuter or even a construction worker. It makes them super visible, comfortable, and safe. You can stay safe with a great 360-degree visibility. The black vest has a 2-foot width vertical and horizontal reflective strips for maximum visibility in all conditions. And the application on it is a fluorescent black safety connection, and it keeps you safe, reduces risk of accidents while bicycling, construction work, security, surveyors, roadside emergencies, indoor and outdoor, night or day. ONLYEST Group, you guys have made some amazing products. Checking out your website, you guys have so much, and it just seems like you're certified in everything. But we want to give a huge shout out to your company. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video and allowing us to share your safety products with our viewers and our community. Thanks! And to those who are watching, leave a comment below and let us know your safety routine. When you ride a bike, do you keep a reflective vest on or are you just dangerous? Well, let us know in the comments below. But thanks for watching Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Matthew, and we'll see you guys in the next review.